The last short. Someone called me trash in the comments. So I just want to remind you that not all people say that I'm good. And not all people say that I'm not that good or trash. But if you're just gonna be like this, you know how it feels to be in pain. Someone bullies you. You feel pain. Someone don't, uh, someone ignores you. You feel pain, but me, I don't let it all out. I just hide it. If I hide it, I'm just trying to be strong. But in reality, inside me, I can't hold it anymore. I just want to let it out. Just last combo. That's the strongest battleground show. Yeah. This is the last shot of the strongest battlegrounds. This is the strongest battlegrounds short. If my comments is calling me trash or bad, I won't keep it up. I am never filming the strongest battlegrounds short. If people still keep saying that I'm bad at it, well, I'm just a starter. Played in years, never played in years, but if you just keep doing this, I will never actually film. So bad.